Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best motorcycle helmet for wind noise. Whether you're looking to boost performance, improve fuel efficiency, or just keep your engine running smooth, I've got you covered. This list is based on my personal experience and research, factoring in price, quality, durability, and overall value. If you want more details or deeper review of each product, be sure to visit our website at www.bikerguides.com, and of course, all the product links are in the description below, so you can check them out for yourself. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more gear reviews and engine tips. Alright, let's get into it. Number 1. Alpine MotoSafe Motorcycle Earplugs, Transparent, 17 dB Noise Reduction. Alpine MotoSafe earplugs offer essential hearing protection for motorcyclists, reducing harmful wind and engine noise while preserving clarity for navigation and communication systems. With Alpine acoustic filters, they maintain situational awareness and enhance riding comfort. Made from patented Alpine thermo-shape material, these ultra-soft earplugs adapt to your ear canal for a secure, pressure-free fit under any helmet. Hypoallergenic and silicone-free, they're ideal for long rides without irritation. The mini grip allows easy removal. Tested to meet US and EU standards, they provide 17 dB SNR noise reduction. Designed and manufactured in the Netherlands, Alpine earplugs reflect 25 years of innovation in hearing protection. Perfect for touring and high-speed riding. Number 2. Softvox Moto Earplugs, Wind Noise Reduction and Hearing Protection, 6-pack. Softvox Moto earplugs are engineered for riders who demand comfort and clarity on the road. Featuring advanced filter technology, they reduce wind and engine noise by up to 25 dB while allowing essential sounds like traffic, engine tone, and comms to pass through clearly. Made from ultra-soft silicone with a dual-flange design, they provide a secure, pressure-free fit under any helmet, ideal for racing, touring, or motorsports. Available in small and standard sizes, each earplug includes a pull tab for easy insertion and removal. The set includes a waterproof aluminum case with carabiner for convenient, on-the-go storage. Perfect for protecting your hearing while maintaining situational awareness during every ride. Number 3. Headwind Motorcycle Neck Ring, All-Season Comfort and Helmet Noise Reduction. The Headwind Neck Ring is a patent-pending, breathable solution designed for motorcyclists, bicyclists, and power sports enthusiasts. Made from 100% polyester and engineered with interlocking foam, it offers a customizable fit, adjustable in height by up to 30% for personalized comfort. Use it dry for winter warmth or wet for summer cooling. Just soak and strap it around your neck for evaporative relief. The horseshoe-shaped design provides 360 degrees ventilation with adjustable positioning to maximize cooling or reduce fogging. This versatile neck ring also absorbs wind noise and blocks dust before it enters your helmet, enhancing ride comfort and safety. Made in the USA and imported, it's ideal for year-round use across multiple riding environments. Currently unavailable. Number 4. Prolinion Line Windjammer Pro Tour 2, Universal Wind Noise Reducer for Full-Face Helmets. The Windjammer Pro Tour 2 by Prolinion Line is the original, often copied solution for reducing wind noise in full-face helmets. Designed to fit all adult and youth helmet sizes, this one-size accessory enhances comfort and focus by minimizing turbulence and noise during rides. Made in black and engineered for optimal ventilation, it improves helmet seal without compromising airflow. Ideal for touring and high-speed riding, it helps reduce fatigue and enhances audio clarity when using intercoms or Bluetooth headsets. Highly rated 4.3 out of 5 stars and recognized as Amazon's choice, the Windjammer Pro Tour 2 is a trusted upgrade for any rider seeking quieter, more enjoyable journeys. Number 5. Earpiece Moto Original Motorcycle Earplugs, High-Fidelity Noise Protection, Clear Silicone. Earpiece Moto Original Earplugs are essential for protecting your hearing during rides. Designed to reduce noise by up to 26 dB, they shield against wind and engine sounds while preserving clear communication. Crafted from soft silicone with a double cone shape, they fit comfortably under any helmet for all-day wear. Each pack includes 3 sets of interchangeable filters, medium, high, and max, so you can customize your noise reduction level. Trusted by professionals like Red Bull Racing and Motorcycle.com, these earplugs meet rigorous US and EU safety standards. The set includes small and medium earplug sizes and a durable aluminum carrying case for easy transport. Ideal for riders who want comfort, clarity, and reliable hearing protection on every journey.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.